Labour has been empowering Cardiff Bay since 1999. They've had 16 years to improve life for the people of Wales, and they've failed. 16 years to improve the NHS, yet Wales today has fewer doctors per head of population than most countries in Europe. Our doctors and nurses are excellent, but there aren't enough of them. 16 years of Labour, and life expectancy is still shorter than it is in England. Labour has never met its target for ensuring patients are treated within 36 weeks. Labour has been responsible for schools since the Assembly was established. But in reading, maths and science, Wales performs the worst of all 4 UK nations in international tests. 16 years of Labour, and still fewer than a third of pupils who come from poorer backgrounds leave school with 5 good GCSEs. Teachers are working hard, but the government has failed the education test.
Knock, knock! Who's there? The ambulance you called for 50 minutes ago.
Labour promised in 2011 that they would be standing up for growth and sustainable jobs. 4 years later, and workers in Wales continue to earn less than workers elsewhere in the UK, and our economy is lagging way behind. What exactly has Labour been doing in Cardiff Bay? They've had the power and resources to make a difference, but they haven't delivered. Under Carwyn Jones' watch, Labour in Wales have run out of ideas and are taking Welsh voters for granted. They're failing Wales in ways the Conservatives failed us for years, and we can't afford to carry on like this. The party's over. With new innovative ideas and the drive and energy to put them into practice, Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, wants to build a prosperous Wales with action to boost business and create jobs. A healthier Wales, with 1,000 extra doctors for your surgery in your hospitals. More investment in our NHS to protect local services and to ensure people receive the care they need when they need it. A caring Wales, where social care charges for older people and those with dementia are abolished. A smarter Wales for our children, by supporting teachers, freeing them up to get back into the classroom to do what they do best: teach. Support Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales. Give Wales a chance to succeed. Send Carwyn Jones and Labour the message that the party's over. Plaid Cymru, the change Wales needs.